dirty snowballs, but there's a little bit more to it. Start by making a comet, and pretty much everything we put in our comet is something that's in a real comet. So we're gonna start with dirt. Can't have a dirty snowball
without dirt.
without some dirt.
I didn't know comets had Pepsi in them.
Oh, we'll talk about the Pepsi. These things represent some things. So this represents dust and minerals that are found in the comets. So you're definitely going to have minerals in your comet. You're going to have quite a few minerals in your comet. I'm going to put in a fair bit of dirt there, okay? There's my dirt for my dirty comet. Okay. Starch. Now, there's really not starch in a comet, but the starch is going to help hold it together a little bit, okay? Real comets are going to have things fused together to help it, like other minerals. Now, there's no Pepsi in comets. But there are sometimes organic molecules. And comets also have a dark color. So I have some dark organic molecules.
Wait, so Pepsi is organic?
Yes. So the agricultural definition of organic is very, very different from the chemical definition of organic.
Oh.
Organic in chemistry means it has carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Organic, this is not grown organically. This has carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay. So it's a very, very big difference between chemical. Oh, what am I doing with my life? Chemical organics and agricultural organics. Okay. Now we need to add. This is vinegar, which is acetic acid. There are amino acids in comets. Now, who knows what amino acids make? Anybody?
No. Sweet.
Amino acids make proteins. All proteins are amino acids that are bonded together. So there are theories that the amino acids in comets seeded life on Earth. A comet crashed in, it had amino acids. The amino acids formed proteins. Proteins make more proteins and babies, and now we have life. It is a theory that is out there. We know that amino acids make proteins. We know there's amino acids in comets. Did they combine to make life and crash? Did a comet crash into Earth and seed life? I do not know, but it is a theory that's out there, okay? Alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol. I do not have methanol, but methanol has been found in comets. So we're going to add a wee bit of isopropyl alcohol to represent the methanol. Alcohol is alcohol is alcohol-ish. Don't drink this stuff. Don't drink regular alcohol, but this will make you go blind. Okay, so I'm going to add, there is water in comets. We know that water has been found in lots of different, lots of the moons of Jupiter have water. The dwarf planet Ceres has water. Water is not unique to Earth, and it is definitely in comets. Now, comets are out in space, and they are very, very cold. And they have frozen solid carbon dioxide. So we're going to add some of that. Some frozen solid carbon dioxide to our comet. If I can get it out. Let me make sure. I crunched it up, but I need to make sure it stayed crunched. Okay, and I'm going to mix this together. Be careful, Connor, if it starts splashing, then back away. Okay? Because I don't want you to get hit with a chunk of dry ice. You're probably fine, Braylee. So I'm going to stir our comet together. I can see absolutely nothing that is going on here.
It looks like a.
So this gas that you see, it is actually a lot of water vapor going on. We need a little bit more water, I think.
How many times have you made this?
0. This is the first one.
Oh,
Very dry.
It's bubbling.
Okay. I'm actually going to try to help stir it a little bit with my garbage bag. It's not holding together quite as well as I'd like, so what am I going to add more of?
Start.
Water. We're going to add more water till it holds together.
It's outside your bowl.
Woo!
A lot of it's outside your bowl.
It's not witch's cauldron, it's science!
This is Barlow. Are you secretly a witch? I'm not telling us.
I am not secretly a witch!
Dang it. Dang it.
With my bright green cauldron. Still not holding together, so do you know what I need more of?
Water.
Water!
Can you see it now?
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
No, I can't. Oh, got some expansion of gases going on. Shocker. Just gonna...
I think it's put together.
It needs to hold together. Now, in real life, do comets break apart?
Yep.
Sure they do. We are going to break our comet apart. But first we need to make it.
What if I were just to stick my hand in that bag? It would be cold.
It would be cold in there.
What if I touched the dry ice?
It would be
You
cold.
burn yourself.
What? No, I didn't touch the dry
I know
ice.
it.
I inhaled the carbon dioxide and my nose got all fuzzy and I thought, that's not what I want with my life. So I stopped. Okay. So we're holding together. Okay. I love my hot pads right now. Like I can't feel anything.
I got a glance of it. I know, right?
Yeah,
I got a video.
I think it's falling out the
It is
bottom.
falling apart. So you know what that means I'm gonna add? More water.
Did you add enough
Put it all in.
starch?
Woo, hello. I took it out of the bowl, which is probably a bad idea.
Oh,
I want to touch it.
You don't want to touch it. I just touched it. It was cold. What are we talking about? Oh, little bits of comet flying out? That's gonna happen. Dude! Okay, so it's really, really cold. And it'll freeze your tissues and hurt. There's a spot on my thumb right there where I froze my tissues during lunch when I was breaking up the dry
but
ice.
Mrs. Barlow, your tissues are over there.
And they're frozen and they hurt.
Yep.
Oh, really not.
So I probably shouldn't blow my nose with them.
Don't blow your nose with the frozen tissues.
Okay.
Don't blow your nose with the tissues of your hand either. I remember when I was little and I learned about tissues like skin and whatnot are tissues. I remember being very confused. Are we holding? Are we holding? You're gonna hold together, my comet friend, or do I need to add more water? I've
It's
run out of water.
bubbling.
Should I go get you more water?
We might. Let's see. Let's try to pop this guy out. See what happens. Oh, there's a little bit of the water.
Whoa!
But I have a comet here. Now,
It's a bucket shaped cone.
it's realistic that this would be the size of a comet in real life. Now, you can have
It's
comets as
squealing.
large as a
It's
house,
squealing.
but you can also also have comets that are this size. I have made a bit of a mess. Guess what? I know how to clean. It's fine. So the
Can I
first
touch
thing
this?
we're gonna do is we're gonna weigh our comet. Braylee, could you grab me a scale? Or Jada, because she's filming me. Totally at peace with you people filming this.
Brian's filming with it.
Got her.
Stuff like this is why I had them take my carpet away, guys.
What
I
happened?
thought it
Yeah,
came
yeah.
with any carpet.
Your carpet would get messy.
thought
Because
it
I
came
don't
with
feel like
carpet.
being careful. No, I'd have to be more careful. I don't want to be careful.
I mean, I thought it came without carpet.
No, my room used to have carpet. And I was like, please, 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 please. And they said yes, because they love me. Okay, I'm gonna, oh, I'm stuck. Never have I ever gone to space and gotten stuck to a comet. But here we are at school getting stuck to comets. There we go. Okay. Let me tear it. Yes, I know that there's dirt on my oven mitt. No, I don't care.
It
Okay.
would have been way worse though, Mrs. Barlow, if there was some dry ice right on that spot too.
You know when you lick a metal mailbox full?
Have you ever got stuck to ice cubes? I've got stuck to ice cubes for my freezer. All right. So our comet, everybody needs to write this down, weighs 3.245 kilograms. Now,
What?
3.245 kilograms, except it's rapidly shrinking. We're now at 3.3, we're going to say 3.23 kilograms will be our starting.
3.2.
On the
23 kilograms. What was that?
On the 0 minutes, Miss Barlow?
0 minutes.
2.23.
3.23 kilograms.
This is great.
Can someone turn the lights off, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Now, what happens when the comet gets close to the sun?
Melt.
We have what's called the solar wind. And the solar wind provides two things. What does it provide, guys?
Heat,
Heat and what?
radiation,
Light.
light.
The light reflects off the comet so we can see it, and the heat melts it. So, what are we going to do? I am really, really hoping that we'll be able to see the tail of our comet. Should we see if we can see the tail of our comet? I'm going to shine the light on it, blast it with the solar wind. And what do we have coming off of there? You see on this side? We have
More heat.
our solar wind. We have the tail of the comet coming off. We'd be able to see it better if it wasn't so light in here. But we're going to go for 5 minutes and then take the mass of our comet and see what happens.
Did you start a timer?
I can't hear you.
Did you start a timer?
I have a timer.
But isn't water just
Could
gonna
you
get